MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides. And you better.
Hi my beautiful fairies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So before I dive into everything, I just want to let it be known that this video is not just for people with PCOS or alopecia. It's really just for anyone looking to grow their hair fuller and thicker. I want you guys to pay attention to all of these hair loss deficiencies. They're really important just because they're an insight to certain vitamins that we may lack in our body, and that is usually the cause for thinner and balding hair. I wanted to focus this video on special ingredients because it's not really just about the products. I'm going to be also showing you guys different product recommendations. I do have 3C4A hair. Not everyone has my same hair type, but a lot of people do have the same issues like hair loss like I do. So really just pay attention to the biotin ingredient because this particular product may not work for you, but you can definitely find another product that might be a little bit thicker or just better for your hair that does have the biotin ingredient. The second deficiency I want to talk about is going to be protein. This is something that has literally shocked my mind because I didn't even notice that protein was lacking in my body until I did research. Since using protein and using biotin ingredients, my hair has been super hydrated and it's actually changed my hair texture and the thickness. So I do wash my hair once a week and I use my hair stylers every single day to get the most benefit out of all the ingredients. Now I wanted to show you guys how I do my super beautiful and juicy slick back. This was my first time looking at my slick back in this video when I recorded it, and when I was looking at the footage, I'm like, ooh girl, it looks so good. I could not believe it. When doing this hairstyle, I already went in with my rice water to prep my hair and I did use some leave-in. So now I'm gonna move on to some curl milk. I wanted my ends of my hair to be curly and I do my hair in the LCO method, which is leave-in, cream or styler, and oil. I use the curl milk as a styler and this also has plant protein in it, so it makes my hair super strong. Then I go in with some oil. This is from Mielle. I will make sure I put all the products that I'm using in this video down below per usual. I know a lot of people do the LOC method, but just for my hair type, which again is 3C4A, it's just better when I do the LCO method because it just makes my curls pop so good. So I'm going to be using this hydrating mousse. You guys have seen this on my channel quite a few times already, and this is amazing. It's not like a curl mousse, it's more like a hydrating mousse, and it really lays my curls down so good. It also has moisturizing ingredients in it. Y'all know I need some moisture in this scalp because my scalp is super dry. So I do love this mousse because it lays my hair down and also lets my curls shine and pop. When I have that in my hair, I'm just going to brush it back and then I'm going to seal in my curls and lay my hair down even further by using this Pattern Beauty Stronghold Gel. I have been using this for forever. I love the fact that it does not make my hair super hard, but it does hydrate my hair even more. It makes my hair have such a crazy shine to it, and when I say this defines my curls, y'all, the back of my head does not lie. I also like to use this to create my little baby hairs. I'm getting so good with doing my baby hairs, you guys. I was not really like the best type of baby hair person, but lately, Girla, I have been doing the thing, okay? And I'm just gonna seal in all this creation with some hairspray. This hairspray just holds my hair down in place. It does not make it super hard, but it just holds my curls in place because my hair is curly and I didn't want my curls to start sticking up later on, and this does a great job with holding it down. So this is how my hair is looking. It is still wet, but I do show you guys later on the dry version of this and it looks exactly the same. Now I decided to show you guys my everyday super last minute and quick clean girl type of makeup look. I'm not going to be using foundation in today's video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I can get this look with just concealer. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face. I am going to be leaving all the makeup products that I use down below as well. I prime my eyes and I also prime my cheeks because my cheeks are pretty dry. And I'm also going to use this melting spray. Y'all have seen this on my channel. My video is doing so good, you know, and it even went super viral on TikTok. This is the Eben melting spray. I love to use this to lay my wigs down, and I also love to use it for my brows. I just put that in my brows and use this Kat Von D tattoo liner in brown. It's the same same color as my brow color, and it makes my brows look like real hair. I'm just going to clean those up with some concealer from Fenty. I use 2 shades, and I'm also going to use this Sephora collection Better Than Skin concealer. I use a darker color underneath my eyes and just 1 shade lighter as my highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. I'm also going to use this Milk concealer. It's the exact skin tone of my skin, and I'm just going to blend that in with a Real Technique setting brush. Now I'm going to be using concealer underneath my eyes to highlight, but it's only going to be 1 shade lighter. It's a Fenty concealer in the color 410, and I'm going to do that to highlight underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and my chin once again. And then I'm going to take this Anastasia contour. It's in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm going to just accentuate my little button nose because it's so cute, and I just love making that pop with my makeup now. And then I'm also going to contour my cheekbones and blend that out to give me nice definition, but not too much, just super subtle. I got a good time being long since you had one. Better to head down to the racks come. What you want, can you slide on me right now? Got a little something for you when you're back. Since I'm not doing contour powder today, I'm gonna just reverse highlight underneath that contour and blend that out, and also blend out the highlight underneath my eyes and also the contour on my nose. Together, you know that you get what you want when you selfish. I pick you up, you can slash in it back. As long as you tell me it's mine, I'm possessed. I know how you like it, I'm all in your head. I'm embedded in your bed, let's till we crash the connection. I got a thing for you. The way that you do it, you do make it hard to go out of range from you. You know what time it is. I'm on your line again. Pull up to 5, I throw you the... Now I'm going to move on to sealing in that concealer, and I'm going to be using the Lady Gaga powder to set that in, and also using my face powder. I do it in 1 shade darker to create like a bronzing effect because I'm not using bronzer today, and I'm just going to use my actual skin tone to just pat that in my skin all around, use that to highlight underneath my contour, and just spray my face down and apply some blush on my cheeks as well as my nose, and also use some loose highlight for that subtle sheen on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and under my brows. So this is how we are looking. It looks so good. Eek! And now I'm going to be doing my little moles. I'm going to use my NYX eyeliner to create the darker moles, and I do about 3 or 4 depending on the day. And I take this NYX eyebrow pen, and it's so subtle that I like to use it for my freckles on my face. Also do some mascara, and I'm just going to finish off by doing my lips. Like I said, all the products that I'm using I'm going to be leaving down below, but I do line my lips with my MAC Chestnut lip liner and do my gloss colors with the Fenty gloss, and just seal that in with some Marc Jacobs shimmer gloss. And that is pretty much the end of the look. That's the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about my hair, this slick back, my curls, my hair in general, this makeup, just everything. Just let me know how y'all feeling it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and bye guys.
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, think you handle that? You ain't ready for this work, now watch me throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back,
Pull it back.
throw it back. My act too fat, too fat, too fat. My act too fat,
I like how she
rock, 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 rock,
how she
rock, 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 rock.
I like how she rock it.